top?
Let's go see if Todd's doing okay in town.
Thanks for your help at the garage, Mater. I still can't believe I'm in Radiator Springs.
Well, if you like it now, where do you see it all fancy-fied up?
Really? What are you gonna do?
Nah, we thought we'd get together and do some renovating. Wanna help?
Yeah! And I'm sure other cars will too. Just show me where to start.
Luigi needs some help getting his shop open. Come, that looks awesome. Can you help Lizzie with the curio shop? Dang, Lizzie's shop looks good. Can you help Ramon open his paint shop? Good boy, Ramon's gonna love that. Looky there, all that's biffing up, bringing in tons of business. Woo-wee! Boy, this town's looking great. I can't wait to see it all finished. Thanks for your help, Todd.
Nice! Speed. I am speed.
I'm chillin'. How about you? Oh yeah!
Dadgum, I ain't seen Radiator Springs so busy in ages. This town looks beautiful.
Yeah, really good. I just drove by Luigi's and he's almost out of tires. Well, maybe we should go check on everyone and see if they need help.
Whee! Boy, I knowed I could do it.
What do you think of the changes to Radiator Springs, Mater?
Boy, you've done gone outdid yourself, buddy. Folks is gonna love it. Woo, boy, I'm hyper than a tumbleweed and a tornado. Woo, boy, am I ready?
Ka-chicka! Ka-chicka! Nice!
Oh, I gotta tell Lightning about this. Shoot, this is almost as much fun as tipping tractors.
Come on, bring it! Oh, yeah! One is all mine. No autographs now, but catch me later. Show me the love. Come on. Oh, I'm just getting started. Get the history books ready, because I'm writing a new chapter. Get ready for a thing of beauty. Eat your heart out, Lightning! Hey, Lightning! Everyone's lining up to race me on my new track. Except you! Too scared?
No, I'm just too busy hosting this event. I don't have time to see you lose, chick.
Not this time. I'm sharpening my skills to usher in a new chick era. Ka-chicka, ka-chicka, kaboo! Practice makes perfect. Although, no autographs now, but catch me later. Want to know the forecast? 100% chance of thunder! Boom! Do I hear a repeat? Boom! Ha-ha! Oh, I'm just getting started. Get the history books ready, because I'm writing a new chapter. This one is all mine. I don't even think I know how to lose.
Right on!
Groovy, man! Groovy! Chick hits. Then you do that, right? Boom! Do I hear a repeat? Boom! Ha-ha! This one is all mine. Get the history books ready, because I'm writing a new chapter. Oh, I'm just getting started. Eat your heart out, Lightning.
Hey, Mater, can you believe it? Everybody's tracks are almost done. How cool is that?
Well, you know what would be even cooler? Let's get all our friends to come by and race with us.
Let's invite some friends to race. Here's the list of your friends. Here's where you invite friends. Send gifts to your friends and perhaps you'll get something in return.